Okay, we have a 2006 Jeep Liberty CRD turbo diesel motor. This is a one-owner car. It is four-wheel drive. Newer tires, probably only have maybe 15 to 20,000 miles on them. All power, everything. Full-size spare. Privacy glass. One owner, wife's car. Kind of get an idea of the interior. Has a power outlet in the back. Power windows in the back that work. Everything works in the vehicle. Vehicle has we'll just say 144,000 on it. Bluetooth, AC, moonroof. There is the Jeep's 3.8 liter CRD turbo diesel motor. Everything's still very clean. New battery was just put in last year. That was the first battery we ever actually put in it. And then this is your space with the split rear seats that fold down for plenty of cargo room. Let's do that here. Get an idea how much room it has. So one owner car, Jeep Liberty 2006 CRD turbo diesel.